Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the dome light on my 98 Camry, and as you can tell, if I move it here just right, the light does come on. So there's something wrong with the switch here. I guess I could just replace the whole thing. As you can tell, it's a white light, so I did replace it from the original incandescent bulb a while ago. So we're going to try to get this open here. There's a little pry point over here, if you can tell, to get this, and then I can remove the screws in there. So it's kind of difficult to do it with one hand, but we're going to give it a try. I'm going to reset the camera, and then let's see what I can do. Okay, for y'all? Okay, the plastic here is old, so as I used the other tool, it wasn't, so I'm using this metal thing here and getting behind it, and hopefully it'll come out, and that worked, because there's two retaining tabs right there, and well, that's how that one goes. And then looks like there's 4 screws here holding it, so we're going to try and do this without, and you can see the light that I replaced a while back, and we're just going to get this out and then disconnect the electric, and then we'll take it inside to the bench and see if we can fix that switch so that actually, you know, and of course I'm using the you know, the ratcheting screwdriver that we talked about before. It's kind of nice. And let's get this detached without too much issue. There we go. Wow, 4 screws holding this one little light up. That's a lot. Okay, let's see. And then we should be able to slide it out, and there's the electric connector right there. And let's get it, and looks like there's a simple thing in the back, so let's take it apart and see what we can find. Looks like the switch just works on this going back and forth, but it's kind of sticky, so let's see if we can take it apart and clean it out. So just 2 screws looks like holds it in place, and let's see, is this good, or do I order a new part? Let's see. Let's just go with the big one, I guess. There we go. Does it remove? Does it come out? I don't know. Does it come out? Or is it all sealed inside? Let's get a light on it. Well, the black part on the back does look like, if you can tell, it does look like that it's been totally sealed by resin or glue or whatever this amber goop is. I don't know. Can I even take it apart? I don't know. I don't think so. Now that I look at it closely, because the glue is actually part of it. I don't know. Let's see. Hopefully it's just the sub part, and then we'll be fine. Okay. Yeah, let's hope for that, okay? Alright, here we go. Let's see. Because I want to clean out this switch. You know, it says door, off, on, and usually I have it on, you know, and it's goopy. Alright everyone, I have it reinstalled. I was not able to take it apart because it was all glued together, and it was more trouble than it's worth. Probably if this doesn't work, I'll have to get a new piece. But what I did was I shot it inside with some WD, which really loosened up the switch a lot. So now I can move it, and look, it works. So that's all it needed, was a little bit of lubricant, And looks like it works. Let me close the door. And there it is. It works the way it is. And the switch is very smooth now. I mean, look, it took a little effort, but now just a little bit of WD. So we're good to go. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and have a great day, guys. Take it easy.